Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Sony headphones and I'm going to tell you where you can easily find its user manual. So at first we have to open a web browser and here we have to tap on search. In the search bar we have to search for Sony WH-XB900N user manual. And here OK. As you can see, the first thing we can see is manuals for our headphones. We have to open it. It may take a while, so don't worry. And as you can see, now we have to scroll a bit down, and here we have operating instructions. We have to open it, and here is our user manual. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.